is that sand or is that graham crackers? Let's ask the Crumb Boss. Hey, Crumb Boss.
Jeez, you threw it right in my face.
Hey, who's going to the beach?
Crumb Boss!
Yeah, Crumb Boss. What do you got? Beach ball? Whoa. Okay. Beach ball. Why you got a beach ball?
Today we're making beach ball cake.
Beach ball cake. Okay.
Is this a giant cake or what?
It's huge. You're all into these big episodes this week.
Everything's huge this weekend.
Yeah.
This weekend we're huge.
Exactly.
Crumb Boss, over the top.
Over the top. So what do you got here, Crumb Boss?
We've got a big giant cake that's shaped like a beach ball.
All right.
Want to know how I baked this cake? Because I needed a round, giant, huge mold, right?
Yes.
And I don't just have molds like this laying around the bakery every day.
No.
So I used our wonderful KitchenAid mixer bowl because it's so perfectly deep and round.
Oh,
Yeah,
and you baked it in that?
I baked it right in that.
Oh,
so,
wow.
and it worked, and it came out perfect. So then I sliced it into 3 different layers, filled it with chocolate mousse.
Okay.
I've covered it with just a very rough icing of buttercream. As you can see, it doesn't look pretty, it doesn't look fancy.
No.
Because I'm going to go ahead and pipe with different colors of buttercream to make the
beach ball.
you know, the beach ball.
The colors of the beach ball.
So what I've done is I've taken a spatula and I've
So wait a minute, you took the KitchenAid mixer bowl.
KitchenAid mixer bowl because it's so deep and
That's
it's like so round.
You're so creative.
All my other mixing bowls, you know, they're kind of shallow and they're not the shape of a round beach ball.
Yeah.
So that's how I got this. So yeah, you guys, you know, be creative at home.
Yeah.
You can really figure out
Just don't burn down the house.
Just don't burn down the house. You're gonna burn it down all the way, or else you're not gonna get your money.
Okay, there you go. All right, good. So here she goes. We're making a beach ball cake because Crumb Boss, you went to the beach this year.
I did. I
Yeah.
went to the beach in Mexico.
Exactly,
I haven't
yeah.
gone to the Jersey Shore in a really long time.
No, we haven't gone to the Jersey Shore. We'll have to go to the Jersey Shore. All right, so we're making a big, giant beach ball.
So what I did right away,
Yes.
I could leave it here. Let me put it up here, actually, because
All
I
right,
want to
good.
finish it. What I did right away was move it onto my platter, because that way I don't have to move it later.
Okay.
I've already gone ahead and scored my lines to make, you know, so I have a guide of where to pipe my different colors. Because on a beach ball, you've got all different colors.
Yes.
So this is very simple. You guys are going to take your pastry bag, and this is a star tip
Okay.
right here. You can see that.
Yes.
And we're just going to start piping. Whoops.
She's gonna. It's called piping, everybody.
Yeah, and so you're just going to do this.
Just making a beach ball.
See how I'm doing it? This is actually called a shell.
Yes.
A shell pipe.
Oh yeah, look at it. Looks
It
like a
looks
little
kind of
shell.
like a shell. So I'm doing like a squeezing it and I'm pulling it. I squeeze it and pull it.
And you're using that technique that I learned how to write on birthday cakes.
Exactly.
Yes, that's really cool. Look at this. You're making a giant beach ball.
Wow, this is a giant cake because this is going to take me a while.
Yeah, it might take a whole. I hope it doesn't take up the whole camera time here.
No, it
we
won't,
have
because I'm fast.
Exactly, because you're fast. Crumb Boss is now piping out in a shell form, piping the first color of the beach ball, which
Yeah.
is yellow. Yellow. Now our next color for the beach ball is.
I don't know. Let's see what's in
Let's
here.
see what's in here. Pink.
Oh, it's pink.
Oh, cool.
A lot of air bubbles in here today.
Yes.
So you notice that spitting?
Yeah.
That sound? That's like air bubbles in your pastry bag.
Okay.
You know what we should do when we've got a lot of time like this and I'm just doing like this
decorating
sort of thing?
cakes. It's
Yeah.
cool.
Hey, we're going to take some calls now from our viewers.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, who's on the line? Desiree Hart. Hi,
Yeah.
Desiree.
Over in Casa Grande, Arizona.
Casa Grande, Arizona. Oh, let's do a shout out to Betty's Kitchen,
Yeah.
who hit 1,000 episodes this week.
That's right, that's right.
Yeah, Betty's
go
Kitchen.
Betty.
Go Betty.
That was cool. She did a nice on Betty's Kitchen channel on YouTube.
Yes.
She did a real nice tribute to her thousandth episode on YouTube.
Yeah.
And she had nice pictures of all of her viewers and
Yeah.
everybody who made it possible. For
Exactly,
her.
and we were on there, weren't
Yeah,
we?
we were.
Yeah. Way to go, Betty. And now we're doing
Now
blue.
we're doing blue. Man, it's hot in here. You see how it's really like,
It looks great, Gretchen. It looks absolutely beautiful.
does it look cool?
No, it's coming out fantastic. I can't believe how fast you pipe.
Yeah, I'm
Now this cake, it's called Beach Balled. It's the world's largest. It's actually the size of a beach ball.
It is, I know.
Thanks to the KitchenAid mixer.
That's right.
Uh-huh.
You know, funny story. You
Yes.
know that the Beach Boys song?
Yeah.
Something, we'll have fun.
Yeah, fun to the...
Right? You don't know either.
Yeah.
I used to sing And we'll have fun, fun, fun till my daddy takes my beach ball away.
Yeah.
It's not that.
No, it's till my daddy takes my T-bird away.
I didn't know that.
It's a T-bird.
I didn't know what a T-bird was.
A T-bird is a car.
Yeah, I used to sing till my daddy takes my beach ball away. I was like, damn, why was
Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me. We know a lot of songs here. We sing a lot in our videos.
We do.
This is so cool. Check out this massive beach ball.
Oh, this is a really huge cake.
Yeah. Ooh, it looks so cool.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Well, over the top this weekend, right, Crumb Boss?
Yeah, we are really pulling out all the stops.
Yeah, you might want to turn it this way because now the producer can't see.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
It's okay. I have this horrible pain in my neck. Yeah.
I'm going to go with more yellow.
Yeah. What's in the last one? White?
Green.
Green. Look how pretty this is. This is a giant beach ball cake.
And it tastes good.
And it tastes good. So you use the vanilla cake recipe?
Yes, I did. And I filled this cake with chocolate. Well, actually, the buttercream is what you're going to want to coat it with first. You'd make the yellow cake. You're going to fill it with whatever you want. But I chose to use chocolate mousse.
Yes.
And then you're going to want to make your buttercream recipe because you do want to mix up all these different colors. You want to do a crumb icing over top before you start piping all of your different colors to make the design.
Yes.
And
look at
then,
that. That is so cool.
All right, not too bad. We're almost done, right?
Yeah, come on. Hurry up. No, I'm kidding. You got plenty of time. Look at it.
Oops.
That is so pretty. Somebody's going to come in here and be like, give me that cake.
Yeah.
Because if you're having a pool party tomorrow in Jersey, you're going to want a giant beach ball.
All right, so my last finishing touches is my graham crackers.
Is your graham crackers.
To go on my platter to make, represent sand.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow, that looks really cool, right?
Yeah.
Now, one other thing I wanted to do, because the beach ball always has that round piece on top.
Yes.
So I rolled out a piece of fondant.
Okay.
Just, I just kept it white because I knew I was doing the colors. You take a cookie cutter.
The cookie cutter. Where do you get the cookie cutters at?
Oh, I have hundreds of cookie cutters.
Where do you get them at?
Anywhere, really. I get a lot of mine at Bed and Bath because they have a lot of different colors.
Oh, yeah?
A lot of different shapes, I mean.
Yeah.
And then what I have lastly are these are all edible. This is made out of sugar.
Okay.
Seashells.
Oh, the little seashells.
And a little
I
starfish.
love seashells. Oh, I have starfish. Well, look at the little seashells. So they're falling off the graham crackers. Oh, that's so pretty. So there it is.
That was pretty simple. I mean, it didn't take that long, right?
No, it's perfect. So it's a beach ball cake.
Wow, it's giant.
Well, yeah, see if you
It
can
weighs like
lift.
30 pounds.
All right, good. Well, start lifting it. Can you lift it?
I'm lifting it.
Are you? All right, so there we go. We have the beach ball cake made by the Crumb Boss.
Piece.
Yay.